Hi, welcome to our 2024 Term 3, Class B, practicing video number 1. Now today we'll have a look at walking finger technique on the pianos and also talk about the new piece for our the end of the year concert. Okay, now walking fingers is a really important technique. When we do walking fingers, it's the two fingers that rotate. We try to connect them by holding the first note longer until the second note is played. So soon I'll demonstrate a finger exercises that you can do this week. But first, let's put our left hands down and right hands on the top. We're gonna work on 1 and 2. Lift your hands up, land it on 1. The other fingers lift up slightly. Then get your number 2 ready. Can you move your number 2? Lift your fingers up. Good. Lift it up and play. Now your number 1, release. Okay, and then relax your number 1. Now you're holding the number 2 down, the other fingers are relaxed. Okay, now we're gonna rotate number 1. Lift your number 1 up, play, number 2, release, relax. And number 2, play, lift it up, play, number 1, release. Okay, you see, in this process, I'm not hurried to do a swap. Okay, I wait for the second finger to play, drop down, and then release the first finger. Because in the class exercises, we found a lot of students are, the first notes are not holding long enough. So today's exercise will emphasize on the first note, we play longer. Wait until the second note is played and then release. Played and release. Okay, now we're going to try one more time. Use your 1 and 2. Ready? Drop on 1 and 2. Release. 1, release. 2, release. 1, release. 2, release. Okay, so we're gonna try on the piano. Put your right hand on the C position. Lift your hands up and drop on 1. Lift number 2 up, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release. Now let's do 1 and 3. Number 1, play, release, number 3, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release. Okay, now 1, 4, drop on 1, number 4, left, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release. Good. Lift your hands up, drop on 1, and then do 5. Left, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release. Now let's try 2 and 3. Lift your hands, drop on 2. Get your number 3, left, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release. Now number 2 and 4, drop on 1, drop on number 2, number 4, left, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release. Lift your hands up, drop on 2, 2, 5, left and play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release. Then 3, 4, left and play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release. Now number 3 and 5, drop on 3, left 5 up, play, release, play, release, play, release. Keep your wrist very still and relaxed. No pressure. All the finger left up is using the knuckle drawing. Okay, last one, number 4. Play, left, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release, play, release. When you are not using other fingers, we're working on 2 fingers. When you are not using the other finger, just let them relax. Okay, when we say relax, it's relatively relaxed, not 100% or collapse. If we let our fingers lay on the keys, okay, there's no control. So the finger will accidentally press the key down when we use other fingers. So when we say relaxed, it's kind of like 80% relaxed, and we keep the other 20% holding the fingers up. Okay, so it's not totally collapsed on the keys or lying on the keys like this, but it's gently like hanging down and leave the key a little bit. Alright, the same exercise that you can do on your left hand. Very slow and say the words. That's very important. Check the wrist all the times. Keep the wrist level up and very relaxed. And let's have a look at our new songs now. In the class, we learned the first phrase. Okay, so we're gonna go through the first phrase, 2 bars, and then learn another 2 up to the 4th bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bars. Okay, now in this piece, we have the 8th note. If you remember, each 8th note play half beat. 2 8th notes play 1 beat. When we counting, we play the first note, count 1 E. Second note, N A. 1 E N A. 1 E N A. Now the quarter notes become quite long, feeling quite long now. It's still 1 E N A, nothing changed. 1 E N A. Okay, now let's read the rhythm out. That's how we do it in the class as well. Okay, if you can use your fingers to pointing at the note like that, so we're counting it. Okay, ready, go. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A. Okay, let me get the pen so I can point to it. Alright, let's count one more time. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A. Okay, do you still remember the note? We have a C, 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 and then another one, D, E, N, G, C, 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 D, E, G. Okay, now I'm gonna play the first bar. You can listen and count with me. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A. Okay, you can try to count and play the first bar on your piano. When you finished, we have a look at second bar. This note is a E, is a dotted half note, count 3 beats. And we have another 2 8th notes, half beat each. So let's listen to the second bar. 1 E that you can try to count and play on your piano. If you finish, we're going to have a look at this rhythm. This is called a dotted quarter note. Dotted quarter notes play 1.5 beat. So 1.5 beat, we count 1 E N A, 2 E. Where is the N A? Now it's moving to the second note. It's a A. Left hands play A. It's a single eighth note, same as this one, but it's in a single form, not two. So these two notes play 2 beats together, but this one is long. Okay, now let's try to count the first 2 notes. 1 E N A, 2 E N A. Okay, now we move on to those 2 notes. It's a C and A on the left hand. It's below the middle C. 1 E and A. Then the last C is 1 beat. 1 E and A. Right, I'm gonna demonstrate the third bar. So in this piece, we're mainly using the middle C position. That means both thumb is on the C. The first 2 bars, we don't really use our left hands, so left hands can resting beside. Now from the bar 3, the left hand's gonna play. So let's get our left hands ready. The A that we're gonna play, we're gonna use our finger number 3. So let's listen to my counting. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 1 E and A, 1 E and A. Okay, let's try one more time. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E, 1 E and A. The last bar is quite easy. It's a G. I cross out the top note. I think it's the left hand's gonna play. So left hand is a G on the 4th space. So G, you don't need to play that G. I crossed out already. Now it's a left hand G. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your number 4 to play G. When you put your left hand on the middle C, your number 4 is on G. 4 beat. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. Okay, so I strongly suggest that we break into bars. You can play 1 bar at a time. Now it's the time to put all 4 bars together. I'll demonstrate with counting. 1 E and A, 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 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 1 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 1 E and A, 1 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. Okay, so that's the first phrase. If you play for a few days and you're feeling more confident, have a better control of your fingers, then you can play slightly faster. Yes, the first four bars. We are learning them. We are learning this piece 4 bars at a time, so no need to rush. Get the first 4 bars really accurate and 100% the finger number counting are correct. Then we're moving on to the next 4 bars. Okay, we still got lots of time, so I don't want anyone to rush, learn the whole song. If the counting is not right, it's going to be really challenging to correct the counting. So start with slow speed and make accurate and play very smoothly, relaxed. Alright, so not many homeworks this week. Concentrate on the finger works. If you want to try, have a look at the technique, page 17. This is the skipping fingers. We're still gonna use our walking fingers, but we play 5, 3, 1. We're using only the 3 fingers. Okay, but we'll have a closer look in the class next week. Alright, happy practicing. See you next week. Bye for now.